Guys, what's happening? This is just a fun little video I put together. My kids were helping me out, clean up the studio, get some videos filmed. It was something fun. We wanted to post it out here on YouTube, because why not? Mostly filmed by my 6-year-old, so keep that in mind. Have fun with it, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.
Let me know when you're ready. Say
I'm
action.
ready.
When you're ready, say action.
Action.
What's happening, guys? A little behind the scenes here, trying to get ready to film some vids because we always got a lot of videos to film. So what do we got to do to get ready? Well, first, you got to get your idea. You got to get it all sorted out. Know what you're going to say. Know what you're going to talk about. I like to make some bullet points sometimes, or sometimes I just kind of know in my head what I want to talk about. But the next thing is I got to get this desk cleaned up because I got a mess going on. We got the C100 Mark II back here. Look at all that mess. You see all that mess? And a big special thanks to my camera operator, my youngest daughter, working a little camera back there for me for a little behind the scenes for you guys. First thing we're gonna do is get this desk cleaned up. Then we're gonna get the C100 Mark II set up, get our microphone set up over here. Yo, get that set up. We gotta get our background together, turn on our lights, get it all set up. And before we even got to all of that, I've already kind of set up the files I want to use for this tutorial, which is going to be a little bit about slow motion. So that's what we got to do. So time for me to do a little tidying up. So let's get into it.
This looks like a spider.
This I gotta
See
put
that
away.
bench over there? That's where he put them.
Wait a second. Are you showing all my mess? Are you showing all my mess? You can't show all my mess.
Oh, and look at my dad's new speakers. Yeah, and look at his background. It's moving. And look at the other speaker. And then this little fluffy spider thing. Bleep, blah, You're upside down.
Is this still gonna be good footage to use?
Whoa. Whoa. Write in the comments down if this makes you dizzy. Whoa.
Comment below if it makes you dizzy.
Am I filming?
I see
Daddy,
it. It looks pretty good.
Dad, you know what would be cool?
What would be cool?
So if I went like this, look,
Yeah.
and then you were done cleaning.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah.
What color should we do for the background?
Maybe,
What color you like?
what colors are there?
Let me see how it looks. How you look on the black background. I kind of like the. What if I just did black?
No, that's not good.
You don't like the. But what if I did black?
Comment down below if you guys like black.
What then if I put on black and then green on the black background? That's kind of cool.
Do you guys like that?
I need to get another one.
What if it was a different color? Like a brighter color.
Or do I just do it white? And then we make it the color we want.
White, make it the color we want.
Spider? Oh, no. Just a fuzz.
Whoa! I want to do a different color. Different color, Daddy. We have to do it.
What color do you like?
Let me see, pink. I like that.
Purple?
Yeah. That looks good.
That one?
Yeah.
How's it? No! There goes my water. No!
Water!
Oh, no! It's made to
It's like this carpet's waterproof.
It is. Indoor, outdoor carpet. Behind the scenes.
Filming you clean up, you should use more.
All right, there we go.
Ooh, that's dark. It's dark in your studio.
You think about like this. That looks pretty good to me.
I think that's good. You guys like that? Is that too bright? Comment down below if you like it.
You heard her. Comment down below if you like it. You heard her. Comment down below.
All right, you almost done cleaning? So
Yeah,
it's
almost.
looking really good so far.
And record back in the 5D Mark IV.
Don't forget this.
Here,
You have to put the cap on. And why do you have garbage?
This one goes on that one, actually. I could put on the top lights, too. It's cool, huh?
Yeah, blue.
It's hard to tell in there because you can't see.
Oh, Dad, you can see it on the top. Comment down below if you see the blue on the top.
Okay.
Where'd he go?
Oh, I was looking
There he is.
Ah, I'm just checking this battery thing.
Oh, yeah,
Now
but
you sit down so I can take a look over here now.
Yay! I'm on YouTube! Hi, fans! Who's ever a fan? Action!
All right, so we got everything all cleaned up. I think it's looking a little bit better. Take a pan around. Does it look a little better? Don't mind this part though. This part doesn't matter because you're not going to see that anyway. So, wait, up here, kid. Hey, up here. Bring it back, bring it back. All right, so I think we're good to go make some videos now. What do you think? Give the camera a shake yes or a shake no? A shake yes. Okay, all right. You're gonna make the people dizzy. You're gonna make the people dizzy. So that's a quick little behind the scenes of getting ready to make a video. We have our lights up there. We have our lights back here. We have our camera over there. And then I can see myself over there in the little screen. That's it. Oh, back it up, back it up. All right. Right here, right here, right here. All right, so that is it. Whoa, 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 we're getting a little shaky. Okay.
Tamagotchi!
And that's a Tamagotchi. And it's still alive, so we're doing good.
It died.
Died? Well, we better go take care of that. No, I'm not gonna put you in it. Well, you'll be in it just talking, but not your face.
Could blur out my whole body.
I could, but that's some work. Is that still recording over there? No, it's not. You let me know when we're ready. You cue action. I'm gonna be looking in the camera right here. You let me know when you're ready.
Action!
All right, I'll say, this is behind the scenes. We're making the actual video. Now that we set up, we're actually making the video behind the scenes. Okay, just bring the behind the scenes camera that way. Just a little bit, a little bit.
Okay.
You good. All right, good, we're good, we're good. All right. I don't like.
Take 7.
Take 792. Take 764.
Cut! That was horrible. You did
Thanks.
okay that time.
Than's for your vote of support. Right.
So
Welcome
we're
to.
actually putting this on behind the scenes. You should make a whole YouTube channel on your behind the scenes.
Well, I could just put the behind the scenes on the same YouTube channel. I don't need to make a separate channel for behind the scenes. I'll behind the scenes it on the GoPro because that's easy, and then I just.
Band-aids. Band-aids.
Anyway, behind the scenes. All right. Band-aids.
Band-aids.
We're just gonna put a Band-aid on the behind the scenes. They're no good.
Those band-aids are probably like.
I think that's a wrap. I think I can make an intro out of one of those. Now I just gotta get under the computer, film that part. So go ahead and hit the red button on there for me, would you? I'm gonna stop it on the screen flow.
Hello. You guys are my behind the scenes, and you're just people watching. Today, I'm gonna mimic Jason Yadlovski. This guy right here, I don't know if you know him, but. So, usually he starts out his videos pretty boring, going like,
Hey!
Hey guys, what's up? Mistakes are automatically better with a Band-Aid. Please buy some Band-Aids.
And action!
Okay, anyway. He usually starts his videos out with like, hey guys, what's happening today? It's all about blah, 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 which is very boring. No. So, we are actually going to like edit his videos somehow and speed it all up and make it sound a lot better than it actually is.
What?
Because his videos are just like so boring. I doze off while watching your Band-Aid. Yeah.
What's happening, guys? Write in the comments down below if you heard of him before. So let's get into that right now. And now we will be starting. Now, you know how in most of his videos he starts with, hey, what's happening? Well, he should do something else because that's getting boring. And what do you think he should say? How's it going, kids? Exactly.
And that's right.